Are you struggling to grow organically on Instagram? Do you get a couple of new followers and get excited, but notice that many are still unfollowing you? Ever feel like you're talking to crickets on Instagram? No one's liking, no one's commenting or sharing. If you're struggling with any of these, in today's video, I'll be sharing 7 tips to help you increase engagement, followers, and start driving traffic back to your products and services. And make sure to stick around to the end because I'll be sharing a bonus tip that I use that helps me connect with others that no one's really talking about. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to turn your passions into profits, make sure to subscribe. I upload weekly videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos I upload to the channel. Now, the first step in increasing engagement, followers, and get people interested in your content is by simply providing value. It doesn't matter if you are a coach, content creator, small business owner, or product-based business owner. If the content you're posting on Instagram doesn't provide any value, it will be hard for your account to grow. Now, let's go over 7 ways you could provide value via Instagram. So the first one is, what problem can you solve that your potential customer has? You need to tailor your content around how your products or services solve a problem your target audience currently has. This is the quickest way to position yourself as an authority, increase engagement and followers, but it's the type of content that gets you tons and tons of leads and sales. Another tip is tell stories and make them personal. One of the best ways to be original is to tell personal stories derived from your own experiences. Some of my students are reluctant to do this because they feel like no one will care about their personal experiences. But I'm here to say that my top performing content is when I share the difficult times I have faced in my business and how I overcame them. Another tip is relate to a recent event. This is another great way to connect with others via Instagram by sharing your opinion on current events happening around the world or even in your own neighborhood. If you're getting value on this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and show me some love. Another tip is to provide tips and tricks relevant to your niche. Many are scared to provide tips and tricks and keep them to themselves. My theory is to give unbelievable value and content for free and watch the results. Since day one, I have provided so much value through my content, and it has helped me grow my business to where it is today. Another tip is to share your products and services in detail. The biggest mistake many make is that they're promoting their products with little detail or no information. Advertising is the lure that draws new customers to your business, so make sure to be detailed. Explain what you solve and why they need to get your product. Another tip is to provide social proof. You must be sharing via Instagram positive reviews, comments, awards, or recognition about your company or products. Having social proof will help you build credibility. It's another endorsement that you are trustworthy. And the last tip I have for you is interact with your followers. One of the most quickest ways to connect with followers and build authentic relationship is interacting with them. Engagement is more than counting your views or your followers. It's about measuring the interactions that your audience make with your content. Now, if you stuck around all the way to the end, I'm going to show you another tip, or I'm going to give you another tip that has helped me drastically make real connections via Instagram. Now, whenever someone follows me and they're new, or whenever someone sends me a message, I will send them a voice memo on Instagram, thanking them for following me or thanking them for whatever type of comment they left me. Why? Because it's a better way to connect with others, and who doesn't like to receive a custom voice message versus the standard thank you message that everyone receives? Now, let me know in the comments below if you're currently struggling with adding value to your content. And thanks for watching.